In this video, we'll go over alien worlds. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year? With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom, or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is Alien Worlds? Alien Worlds is a decentralized, non-fungible token metaverse, where players compete for scarce resources, Trillium, in a stimulated economy centered around planetary worlds. Due to this, Alien Worlds also has a decentralized finance element to the game, as players advance by staking TLM and using TLM to vote in planet decentralized autonomous organizations. Play-to-earn NFT games have seen an exponential rise in popularity and value this year. Alien Worlds allow the players, called explorers, to earn monetary rewards through gameplay or participation in planet DAOs. By mining in Alien Worlds, a user is rewarded with the native in-game currency, Trillium or NFT packs. Players can stake TLM to boost their rewards or battle with other users for NFTs. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Alien Worlds' first unique feature is that it is a gaming metaverse that features numerous DAOs, giving every TLM coin holder a stake in deciding who runs the platform, allowing people to use TLM to stake, vote, or even become a leader. Players can stake their TLM to planet DAOs, which then shows their alliance to a planet and allows them to receive more daily TLM rewards. Based on the amount of TLM staked, it affects the extent to which a user can vote for the future of the planet. Becoming a leader in Alien Worlds is no foreign feat, as the platform allows players to run for candidacy to be a counselor in more than one planet. Each planet can be managed by more than one elected counselor, who will share multi-sig control over the respective planet DAO account. Another unique feature of Alien Worlds is that it is free to play, bypassing expensive barrier costs that are a feature of many traditional games and making it newbie-friendly. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting 85 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.